Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. Only quickly wanted to update you here. We've made a new low today on the Quant chart, QNT. Quant is, by the way, probably after Matic and after ETH, the third best crypto I've got here in the rotation. Yeah, it is one of the coins where we hit a lot of the reversal errors. Yes, we missed the highest one here. But nevertheless, it has created a nice impulse to the upside. I believe we're currently coming down here in a wave A of a wave 2. Here basically the wave A, the wave B should still be following. I don't think we've started it yet though, due to the latest low today. It was looking like it, potentially here, but we've made a new low today, so I think it should really start at any moment in time, yeah, unless we get a really weak wave B. Unless this was already the wave B, but I don't think so. In the end, the higher level target is the wave 2. We are nearly there here, the wave C target area, I mean, which is located between $86.70 and $60, pretty much in this region. That is based on the Fibonacci retracement levels, yeah. What you would normally expect for a wave 2. Normally, the minimum requirement for a wave 2 is the 50% Fib level, and that is this, yeah, let's say $87 level, yeah, the 50% Fib level going down to the 78.6. The thing is, if we bounce off the 50%, that would be very, very bullish. I would say the 61.8% is, let's say, what you would generally expect. The 78.6% is not necessarily bearish, but it means that we are obviously in a quite maxing out what we can do in a wave 2. If we go below the 78.6% Fib level, while it does not strictly invalidate the wave 2 scenario here, it is just getting very unrealistic that, you know, if we go below the 78.6 level, it normally really gets unrealistic that it is still a wave 2. So that means we should really move higher above the $60 level. That is needed to basically fulfill and confirm the bullish scenario here, which would suggest that we go lower into this wave 2 area, possibly here with a wave B diversion, yeah, in between. That would be ideal in my opinion, before we then come down in the wave C, but the moves today led to Quant make a lower low. But if we let me just take a look at the daily chart. If we take a look at the daily, you can see that we are already reducing the negative momentum. That could indicate that this downtrend is starting to slow down. We also have a bullish divergence on the daily chart here, a little bit larger. You can see that actually here, by making a lower low today, and it was not a massively lower low, but a little bit, and making a higher low on the daily RSI, that indicates that this move down is nearly finished. Nearly, yeah, normally it would suggest that. There's never a guarantee. What we can do, you know, when does this wave B start? Obviously now with the latest movements, we have a bit more structure in the chart. So a move above the previous swing high here at $102 would indicate that this wave, the wave B actually has started, yeah. A wave B is generally quite unpredictable. Due to the latest move down, I will eventually also have to readjust here a little bit the target area, not much though. I'll leave it for now. It would only change by a few cents actually, because we have made a slightly lower low. So we have to move the wave A actually to here, unless, but that would be quite rare. We've done here something like a wave A to the upside, a wave B to the downside, and let's say undercutting wave B, yeah, which is possible as well, and then the wave C to the upside, because a wave B in itself, that you can see here in white, consists of 3 waves, so you can have that A, B, C. We need to have that on the radar as well. But for me then, sort of the breakout level would be the $102 level. In addition to that, we could try to draw a trend line here that makes sense. It's a bit tricky because it's a bit messy here. If we want to get as many touch points as possible, here we've got a trend line with 3 touch points, but it's quite far away from the current price action. Just really want to make sure that we've got a trend line that would suggest to us when this move is starting to move up. Probably sometimes it's a bit messy and you can't always you can't always draw a very clean trend line, but if you have it like that good enough, then a break above that would be a first indication that the move here to the upside in a wave B is actually starting. And again, the target range for that is currently located between our 112.50 and 125 US dollars. Not guaranteed we get there. Yeah, it would be likely, but main target in this wave 2 correction is here, this area which I've highlighted. And after that, we should see a wave 3 to the upside. That would be a confirmation of the bullish scenario. At the moment, we are so far fulfilling the bullish case in that we are just coming down in a corrective wave 2 at the moment. So it just means at the moment no further action necessarily, instead of just waiting, watching and waiting for the wave 2 area to be reached. And that's my update about Quant. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.